These three great acharyas is Chaitanya Das, Ram Das, this is Ninaketan Ram Das, you know, from Nityananda Prabhu's Darshan. This is Kavi Karanapur, the greatest Sanskrit scholar of all times. He wrote the Anand Vrindavan Champu and Chaitanya Charit Mahakavya and all the great literature. I mean, so we have to see all the samadhis, we have to spend the whole day here. Then I can explain the leelas of all the... Sanatana Goswami. Even the trees would shower flowers on him. The trees would cry when he used to read the pastime of the Bhagavatam. He was also from South India.
He meets him at Srirangam, no?
Yes.
At Srirangam, when he goes to Srirangam.
Raghunath Bhatta comes to Jagannath Puri, then the Lord instructs him, he stays with the Lord.
That is Gopal Bhatt.
That's
Gopal
Gopal
Bhatt.
Bhatt.
That's it. Ah, yes. That's right.
So, and actually what happened is the Muslims, Raghunath Bhatta was a very powerful acharya. So the Muslims, it was a fear that even after giving his samadhi, the Muslims will desecrate the samadhi and take his body and they may do some inauspicious thing. So this is the only acharya among all our acharyas that his samadhi, in spite of being a highest monk, his body was burned to ashes. Not to risk. Normally otherwise with the body they are giving the samadhi. But his body was burned. They are known as the 64 Mahantas. Like there are 64 Sakhis. They are the 64 Mahantas of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Associates. You can give them some special, render a little service to them by doing kirtan. So they will feel happy, all of them.
Okay. उसका ऑन नहीं ये माइक करना हो गया हरि बोल
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura by mistake if some feet falls on the samadhi. So once more what we will do is we will offer a pranam and we will in our mind we will give our pranam to everyone.
Allowed me?
And out of those deities, one of the most important primary deities was Radha Govinda Dev. Radha Govinda Dev. So, but Radha Govinda Dev deities disappeared. After 4,500 years, when Rupa Goswami came to Vrindavan, at that time, Rupa Goswami was told by Lord Gauranga to excavate all the places. So Janatan Goswami established Radha Madan Mohan and Raghunath Das Goswami established Radha Gopinath and Lokanath Goswami established Radha Gokulanand. So all acharyas having their own deities. So Rupa Goswami wanted Radha Govinda. So he was searching whole of Vrindavan for Radha Govinda. Where is Radha Govinda? The original deity, the Vrajanath side. He was searching and searching, ultimately could not find Radha Govinda. So Rupa Goswami became very sad and he sat on the banks of the Jamuna. And he was crying, he was saying, Ha Gauranga, Ha Chaitanya, Ha Gauranga, Ha Govinda. Where are you? I have searched all over Vrindavan, I still cannot find Govinda. So at that time when Rupa Goswami was crying, a beautiful young boy appeared in front of Rupa Goswami. Who was that boy? Lord Krishna. So he appeared and he said, my dear Rupa, why are you crying? I am the local Brajavasi here. I graze my cows here. I see one astonishing thing. That this place was a hill. This place was a hill actually. This temple is on a hill. So every day, many cows they come here and pour milk on this hill. They just empty out their udders as if somebody is residing inside the hill. So this place, the boy is saying, I am wondering, my dear Rupa Goswami, you want to take this place, you will do that. Saying like that, the boy disappeared. And Rupa Goswami immediately the boy took Rupa Goswami here, brought here, and then he left. And after Rupa Goswami saw this place, he got all the Brajavasis and they excavated this place. And they found the deity of Radha Govinda. Bolo Radha Govinda Bhagwan ki jai. Rupa Goswami ki jai. Gaura Nityananda Prabhu ki jai. Jagannath Swami ki jai. So in that way, Rupa Goswami started worshipping Radha Govinda on the top of this hill. Then Raja Man Singh of Jaipur, specifically Ambar, there is a place in Jaipur called Ambar. So in Ambar, Man Singh was the assistant of Ambar. So he came here and he was so influenced by the purity of Rupa Goswami. And he said, I want to do some seva for you. Rupa Goswami said, I don't need any seva. I beg Madhukari and I live in a bhajan. So Man Singh said, no, I want to do something. So Rupa Goswami said, you make a magnificent temple for Radha Govinda. Here. So Man Singh, he took up this service in 1550 around. 1550 he started building his temple. And this was one of the most magnificent piece of architecture in the whole northern India. This temple is fully made up of red stone. It's and it originally had 5 stories. Aurangzeb came and desiccated 3 stories. Now you see only 2 stories. You see 1 plus 1, ground plus 2. And it was built on the top of the same hill where Govinda Dev was found on the ground. The same hill which temple was built. And this is the same temple when it was 5-story height. Aurangzeb saw that ghee lamp burning, it was that higher than his palace. Destroyed top. Came and destroyed the first 3 stories here. And when he came, fortunately the Lord communicated the news in advance to his pujaris. So his pujaris, because Govinda Dev was very beautiful. So his pujaris rushed with Govinda Dev and they ran to Jaipur. And whenever he visited, they had question of Radha Govinda, the original deity.
They are in Jaipur.
They are in Jaipur. Yes, Radha Govinda Dev. These are the Pratibhu deities. Pratibhu deities in Vrindavan are considered as same as the original deities. They are equal power. So Vrindavan, Vrindavan, Lord Krishna never lived in Vrindavan. So in that way, this is we have another Govinda temple back. There are also Pratibhu deities are there. We don't have time. Guru Radha Govinda Dev ki jai. Jai Gaur.
तो ये मंदिर पूरा बना तो इस गुफा को मिट्टी की को पक्का करा दिया है, जो आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ आप बैठे हुए हैं। तब आक्रमण हुआ तो यहाँ 3 विग्रह था। उस साइड में वृंदा देवी था, बीच में गोविंद देव जी थे, यहाँ योग माया था। वृंदा देवी यहाँ से काम बन जाके रुक गया। वृंदा देवी गोविंद देव जी के मंदिर में काम बन में विराजमान है। गोविंद देव जी जयपुर चले गए, आज योग माया यहीं रही। जहाँ से आपने प्रवेश किया है वहाँ पत्थर रखे हमारे पूर्वज लोग और यहाँ से भग गए। जब आक्रमण औरंगजेब आया, उसने देखा यह मूर्ति तो है नहीं, तो वो यहाँ से चला गया। वो मूर्ति विरोधक था। कामबन जाके उन्होंने सपना दे दिया, मैं यहाँ से बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी। कामबन ब्रज की सीमा में है, आदि वृंदावन है वो भी। तो यहाँ जब आए तो उसने मूर्ति नहीं देखा, तो वो यहाँ से भग गया। आक्रमण जब खत्म हो गया तब वहाँ जो आप दर्शन करेंगे अभी आपको कराएंगे, वहाँ पुनरुद्धार हुआ। बाद में संत महात्माओं ने मूर्ति स्थापना किया, जो अभी आप दर्शन करके आए हैं गोवर्धन। तो ये उसी जमाने का इस मंदिर का ओरिजिनल वस्तु है। नवरात्रि में आओगे, उत्सव होता है, मेला लगता है। रूप गोस्वामी का फर्स्ट भजन कोटि और सनातन गोस्वामी का फर्स्ट भजन कोटि मदन मोहन मंदिर में है। दोनों जब असकाय हो गए, अस्वस्थ हो गए, तो दोनों का भतीजे थे जीव गोस्वामी जी, और ये दोनों थे भाई। इन दोनों को फिर जीव गोस्वामी ने सेवा किया है और दोनों को राधा दामोदर मंदिर ले गए। तो इनका सारा सामान वही है, हमारे पास इनका कोई वस्तु नहीं है, केवल ये भूमि है। तो गुप्तमाला, भजन, गंगा, परुआ, सब चीज वही है दामोदर मंदिर में, और वही लोग उसको सब जानते हैं। पर ये शास्त्रों में अपने आप लिखा है कि गोविंद को रूप ने प्रकट किया, इसलिए बोलो राधा गोविंद भगवान की जय, गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। आप एक एक करके वहाँ दर्शन कर सकते हैं सब लोग प्रेम से। वहाँ का फोटो मत लेना है ना। 2 बजे से यहाँ 56 भोग का दर्शन है। अन्नकूट है ना। अच्छा। एक शिला राधा दामोदर मंदिर में है, एक शिला हमारे यहाँ है। वो रूप गोस्वामी को दी, रूप और सनातन दोनों ही भाई थे।
सनातन को एक दिया था।
और दोनों जब तक परदुमा नहीं करते अब तक प्रसाद नहीं पाते थे। तो एक रूप गोस्वामी को दिया, वो चूंकि लोग व्यवहार में आ गई क्योंकि दर्शन होते हैं, यहाँ ऐसी व्यवस्था नहीं है कि बाहर ले जाकर दर्शन करा सके। मंदिर आपने देखा ना काफी है, तो यहाँ लोग अब जानते नहीं है वही चीज। तो वो आज
चिन्ह है क्या कुछ?
हाँ दिखाएंगे। वो आज बाहर जाएगी उठ के, साल में एक ही दिन जाती, उसका फिर अन्नकूट चावल का बनेगा, उसका सब 2 बजे से 4 बजे तक दर्शन होगा। 4 बजे बाद जो भी जितना लोग हमारे प्रांगण में होगा उसको वहीं बिठाल के गेट बंद कर देते हैं, चाहे 1000 हो, चाहे 2000 हो, चाहे 10 हो, चाहे 20 हो, जितना होगा आरती होता है राजभोग, उन सबको कुछ प्रसाद दिया जाता है। फिर अंदर नहीं आने दिया जाता, अंदर के बाहर नहीं जाने दिया जाता। दर्शन कर लो तो आ जाओ। गोस्वामी शिष्य
Why we have to do parikrama 4 times? Is it coming as a number 4?
Yeah, Lord Vishnu, all of the Lord's temple 4 times. Demigods 3 times.
Oh, okay.
वो तो नहीं है,
इसमें है कैमरे में।
नहीं 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 गए नहीं।
Which close is 12:30, Maharaj?
12:30.
Okay, then
अच्छा कृष्ण बेहतर गोद
These are the deities of Radha Gokulananda Sripad Lokanath Goswami.
कृष्ण गोद
He was he made the Lord Gauranga. Actually, Gauranga Mahaprabhu retired. So Lokanath Goswami worshipped Radha Gokulananda, and later on Radha Gokulananda was worshipped by another great acharya of our parampara. He was the leader of all the Vaishnavas in the 16th century, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. He also resided here, and he worshipped Radha Gokulananda. Yes. The very beautiful deities of the Lord. You missed the darshan here because of the Annakut, but we can have darshan of Giriraj. Easy.
ఇవన్నీ క్లోజ్ కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు పరిక్రమ చేసేసి
Karo Doya, Devu Mori, Father Chaya. Give me the shelter of your transcendental lotus feet. Ebe Jaj, Gushuk Tribhuvan. The glories of Lokanath Goswami's lotus feet is known in all the 3 worlds. Because he is an intimate servant of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha and Krishna. His friend was Bhugarbha Goswami. Intimate friend, both of them they came in. Bhugarbha is the one who used to
go inside.
So we'll proceed to Radha-Raman. Because people did not accept Radha Krishna as same as Gauranga. So he got many enemies. So he was plucking flowers in his gardens outside, and some big hefty people were coming to kill him. And he was plucking the flowers. And people, they saw him from far, he's plucking the flowers. So they came here and they just turned the bend. And when they turned the bend, instead of seeing Vishwanath Chakravarti, they saw a young girl, very beautiful, almost 12 years of age. She is all, bodily effulgence coming out from his body. So beautiful, they had never seen a girl like that in their life. And she was plucking the flowers. So that girl looked at them and, whom do you want? Very sweet voice. Very sweet voice, she said. Whom do you want? They said, oh, who are you? And then immediately in front of them, that girl changed into Vishwanath Chakravarti. Vishwanath Chakravarti. From people, we will finish these people from the beginning only. So when they were entering Kheturi Gram, Ganganarayan Chakravarti went and sat outside Kheturi Gram. He became a potter. In a potter vesh. He started making pots. So at the time, king with all his scholars like Rupa Kaviraj, big scholars, Sanskrit, they all approached. They asked the potter, where is the home of Narottam Das? We have come to challenge him. His father says, "Can I help you? Have you any questions? I can answer your questions." Narottam Das Thakur stays here, but he is not interested in challenges. He is a great devotee of the Lord. So the scholar started laughing. Potter, he will discuss with you. And then he said, no, please tell me what questions you have for Narottam Das. I will try to answer. And they had a big discussion, and this Potter defeated all the scholars of the king. Actually, he was Ganga Narayan Chakrabarti. Our parampara, Narottam Das Thakur, then Ganga Narayan Chakrabarti, then Ganga Narayan Chakrabarti's Krishna Charan Chakrabarti, then Radha Raman Chakrabarti, then Vishwanath Chakrabarti, then Baldev Vidyabhushan, then Uddhav Das Babaji, then Jagannath Das Babaji, then Bhagavad Das Babaji, then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji, then Bhakti Vinod Thakur, then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji, then Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, then Prabhupada. My Gurudev, like that. He is part of our parampara. Ganga Narayan. All these acharyas are part of our parampara. Narottam Das Thakur, Vishwanath Chakrabarti, Ganga Narayan Chakrabarti. Bolo Ganga Narayan Chakrabarti ki Jai. One of the 12 Shilas, it expanded. One of the stones. And when he woke up in the morning, instead of seeing the 12 Shilas, he saw 11 Shilas and one Shila was Krishna playing the flute. And that is the Shila of Radha Raman. You see with the telescope, you will see it's so beautiful. His upper part is as beautiful as Radha Gopinath. His central part is as beautiful as Radha Gopinath. So all three main cities of Vrindavan are come in the you can see this. And when he got up in the morning and saw Radharaman manifesting, he actually fainted. For many hours he was in unconscious in bliss, seeing the great mercy of the Lord. I mean, the Lord doesn't become for ordinary devotees like us. He will not manifest. For great devotees like Gopal Bhakti Goswami. And you can imagine a Shila this size has become this size. You know, you can imagine how the Lord can expand and contract as per his wish and desire. And that also he expanded in the most beautiful way. So when this is confirmed, the Lord is present here. I mean, Radharaman is even now in the lineage of Gopal Bhatta Goswami, these are they are worshipping earlier there was a Pujari here, Padmanabh Goswami, also very learned this they all accept Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as their Because you know, when there was a Shaligram Shila, Gopal Bhatta could not put a crown and jewel properly around the Shaligram. So he decided that I want to so in that way, Ramana means Ramana. It's one who gives pleasure to Radha Raman, Krishna. He gives pleasure to Radha. And also there is a crown of Krishna kept next to Radha Raman. That crown signifies Radha Rani. They give a crown. And then, I mean, there are unlimited pastimes. Then, manifested to Gopal Bhatta. Gopal Bhatta said that you are the wife of Radha and Krishna. Okay, I have seen you now, but I really miss seeing the form of Gauranga. I feel separation from him. I met him when I was a child. When he came to Srinath Kshetra, Gopal Bhatta met him when he was a child. After that, Gopal Bhatta wanted to go to Puri after his parents died. Because the Lord told him to serve his parents. So he served his parents. He wanted to go to Puri. But then the Lord instructed him to go to Vrindavan directly to be with Gopal. So he never saw the Lord after that. He directly came to Vrindavan. He was crying, I want to see Gauranga. So one day, Radha Raman, and Radha Raman got transformed into Gauranga. They became manifested in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And again Gopal Bhatta fainted. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came out of the grave. And he embraced Gopal Bhatta. He said, my dear Gopal Bhatta, I could not meet you in my past times, but now I have come to you in the form of Radha Raman. Whenever you will look at Radha Raman, as here to take blessings of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. And Gopal Bhatta Goswami would say, I would give you blessings only on one condition. You know what condition? Please don't mention my name in your book. Please don't glorify me in any way possible. He was so humble, that even in the historic times he did not want him to be glorified. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj writes, I want to glorify Gopal Bhatta, but I can't, because he has ordered me.
That's why itself he has glorified.
Yeah.
Saying that.
Yes. And then ultimately the glorification of Gopal Bhatta was done by Narahari Chakravarti Thakur in his great book Bhakti Ratnakar in the 16th century. Because at that time Narahari did not have to take permission from Gopal Bhatta because he was already disappeared. So then Narahari could really glorify the divine pastime of Gopal Bhatta. Very, very beautiful pastime, very beautiful. So we will continue now. So what shall we do? Shall we now go to our hotel and then think that
What's the plan? What will we do now? We go to the hotel. And then we go to this place.
I think first we take Annakoot and take the Mahaprasadam and then we can start the parikrama.
इसमें अन्न नहीं है, अन्न नहीं मेरी मदद
राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय
रखा का पूरा नारायण का जुड़ा नहीं किया रखा का जुड़ा जुड़ा हो गया बड़ी रहेगा
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Going to approve that. And Mulari Gupta wanted to go from here to Jagannath Puri. So Lord Jagannath said, why you walk so much? I will manifest here only. So the Lord manifested and said, this is the Pujyapat Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj. He was a great disciple of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Yeah, him. Very, very humble. He would never criticize any devotee in his life. Very beautiful quality he had. He was 102 years old. With my good friend of my Gurudev. They were good, great friends. He is Pranavananda Brahmachari. What is Brahmachari? Anybody would come to him and say, this fellow has this fault, this fault. Said, he is better than me. Pramod Puri Maharaj will say, he is better than me. Like this only, all the dust is. It's not a go doing. Bilvaji is doing the real effect of eating all the prasad. Sankirtan.
বাহ খুব সুন্দর ফটোগুলো আসছে ইউটিউবে। এটা কিরকম দাম ভাই? হ্যাঁ এটা কিরকম দাম এই ক্যামেরাটা?
70,000।
70,000 प्रोफेशनल कैमरा है ना?
तमाल कृष्णदास बाल ब्रह्मचारी इन्होंने ही बनाया है। ये यहाँ का इंचार्ज है।
धन्यवाद।